Okay, this is question 1 for the periodic exam tomorrow. This says use 2 conversion factors to express the given measurement in the indicated unit. So first of all, we have to know what a conversion factor is. Factor, of course, always deals with multiplication, so it's something we're going to multiply by to convert. So our first one, we want to take millimeters to decameters. So we're going to start with 400 millimeters, put that over 1, and factors means we're going to multiply 2 different things, and we want our answer to be in decameters. So we have 2 factors because we're going to do this in 2 steps. Now all the students need to know that you're going to have meters. This also could be grams or liters. And then you're going to have decimeters, getting smaller, centimeters, millimeters. And then we have getting larger, decameters. And this, of course, could be decagrams or decaliters. Then hectoliters, hectometers for this one case, and then kilometers. So once again, deca is like a decade, which is 10 years, so both of these have a 10. Centa is like a century is 100 years, or 100 cents in a dollar. The H in hecto is also like 100. And then milla is where we get our word mile from, which is a long distance, that's 1,000. And kilo is also 1,000. So sometimes you see, for instance, 2K16, 2016. So from here, we know we're going to go ahead. We're starting at millimeters, and we're going to go to right here. We're going to go to decameters. So in between, we go to our base unit, and then we jump over. So we do 2 steps. Our first step is to go to our base unit, which is going to be meters. And then we're going to go over to our next one, which is going to be our decameters. So of course, setting up this conversion factor, the top is what we're changing to here, and the denominator is going to have what we're going to cancel. So we're going to put millimeters because these 2 are going to cross cancel out. The same with this one. We're going to have decameters, and then we're also going to have meters here, so meters can cross cancel and cancel out. Then we always look at the 2 and we have to put our numbers in. So a meter is the largest, that's going to be 1. 1 meter will hold how many millimeters? We can look down here and we can see it's 1,000 millimeters. So we put 1,000 there. Then we look here, we have decameters and meters. Anything this way is larger. This way is going to be smaller. So the larger one is always the bigger one, and that gets our 1. So decameter is going to be larger than our meter because it's farther to the left. So decameter is the largest, and then how many meters? We just look at decameters and meters, and our number that goes with that is, with these 2, is 10. So 10 goes here. So now we have our 2 conversion factors. So once again, each of these is a conversion factor. And we're going to now go ahead and cross cancel. These 2 cancel out, and the meters cancel out. That leaves us with just the decameters, which goes into our answer. Then we're going to multiply. 400 times 1 times 1 is 400. And then we're going to have 1,000 times 10, which is going to be 10,000. Okay? So we're going to have 400 divided by 10,000 decameters. So once again, 400 divided by 10,000 decameters. A couple things we can do. First of all, we can immediately cancel out a couple of these zeros. So we get 4 over 100. So a fraction is a division problem, an important concept. So therefore we can do either 4 divided by 100. So once again, 4 is first, so it's 4 divided by 100. We have to annex a decimal point in zeros because 4.00 is the same as 4. So that is going to go in there 4 times. So that's 400, which gives us 0. So our answer is going to be 4 hundredths, which is the same as what this actually says. 4 hundredths of a decameter. Okay? That's going to be our answer. We can also, when we're dividing, so once we get a fractions of division problem, we can take 4 and we can simply move the decimal point. Our decimal point always goes at the end after the ones place, and we're dividing, so we're going to move our decimal point backwards 2 places. So we just move it backwards 2 places. New decimal point goes there. We go ahead and put in the zeros, and we still get our same answer, 0.04 decameters.